Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I manifest in a time crunch. I did a similar video last year where I said how to manifest in a day. And I'm going to read a quick testimonial. Patricia left a comment on the video. I'm going to put it somewhere here. She says, wow, I literally just manifested $500 within 4 hours of watching this video. I'm speechless. Thank you. I really love to see it. But how do you manifest in a time crunch? There are several different techniques that I use. The most important one that I'm going to tell you is you have to calm your nervous system down. More than likely, if you are trying to manifest fast, it's a need. Like, you need this. And more than likely, you're anxious. So what I do first, if you are in an anxious situation, I need you to calm your nervous system down. I need you to breathe. I need you to give yourself a pep talk. I need you to tell yourself to relax. That's what I do. If I'm doing too much or my mind is stuck on something and I'm kind of in a state where I'm low-key panicking, I tell myself relax and I breathe until you find yourself really, really, really calm. And once you are calm and your mind is clear, things are going to start flowing to you anyway. Oh, did I even introduce myself? If you're not familiar with me, I give all kind of manifestation hacks on my channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell because my next video may be the one that you need to see. Really quick, if there is something that you need to manifest quickly, go ahead and give this video a like. And in the comments, what has been the fastest time that you have manifested something? Was it one day, a few hours, a minute, instantly, a few months? What was the time on that? And this isn't a competition or anything like that. I'm genuinely curious. For my new viewers, I am launching Manifestation Momentum April 3rd, 2023. If you get it before then, you're gonna get a huge discount. It is 200 affirmations. Actually, it's closer to 300 affirmations. Custom that I wrote myself. 11 different subjects, including dream car, making more money, dream house, reconciliation, having a positive day, building your self-confidence. The list goes on. With each subject, you are going to get 3 scenarios that you can visualize yourself. Like if you're trying to manifest more money or a new job, I wrote it out. This is the scene, blow by blow, what you can visualize. I was doing custom orders, but they were taking me entirely too long. That took up my whole month. The past month where you guys haven't been seeing me, that's what I've been doing. I've been working for y'all. I am tired. But this is instant download. So you are going to receive an email from Send Out Downloads, and it's going to have the download link in your email. But anyway, let's get back into the video. How do you manifest in a time crunch? There's a lot of different scenarios, but when I think of time crunch, people want 2 things. They want money or they want to hear from somebody. So if I need to manifest in a time crunch, like I said, step 1 is to calm your nervous system. You have to give yourself a pep talk. Relax, baby. Relax. Breathe. Take a few deep breaths. Relax. Breathe. It's going to be okay. Relax. Breathe. Everything is working out for me right now. Relax. Breathe. What I need is on the way to me right now. Relax. You have to calm that nervous system down. If you need help calming your nervous system down, this is what I do. I go get in a cold shower. I take some magnesium. Of course, consult with your doctor before you just go taking anything. I'm talking about what I do. Next, I think of something that makes me very, very happy or very, very excited. And this isn't something that you could fake. You have to really get into that emotion because what we're doing here, we're raising our vibrations right quick, right? Raise your vibrations. You could think of memories. You could look at old pictures from a time. You could look at old videos from when you're having a good time. Whatever it takes to get them vibrations up, go ahead and do that. Once you feel a shift within your body and you're feeling good, you're not really worried about what's going on or what you need, etc. Then you put your intention out there. I write down whatever it is. One time it was $1,000. There's $1,000 that I wanted. I needed an extra $1,000. So once my vibrations are up, I took a piece of paper and I wrote down, you received $1,000. You received $1,000. You received $1,000. Took the piece of paper and I picked it up and I read it. It's you received $1,000. You received $1,000. You received $1,000. So I'm telling myself I received, I already did it, the $1,000. What ended up happening? I made over $1,000 that day. Was it all from sales? No. For the people who are like, okay, but I'm not an entrepreneur. Look, let me tell you. I don't know if I told this story yet on here. I was in Kansas City, right? And my uncle had just passed. And it was one of our last days. I went to go spend time with my grandma. We're in the hotel room. We're about to head out. And I'm just, thinking to myself, talking to myself. I said, the best case scenario today is for me to receive $1,000. I'm standing in the hotel room, but I'm looking out this window and I'm just thinking this to myself. I said, the best case scenario is if I received $1,000 today. I'm thinking it's gonna come from my sales, because what I sell stuff, right? After I said that, I just let it go. A lot of the times your manifestation is gonna come to you when you're not thinking about it and you're living in the present. So there's really no point in you obsessing over something that you're stressing about, because that's not gonna make it come faster. So you might as well go ahead and enjoy your day. Went to my grandma's house. We were sitting down. My uncle and my aunts over there. They had bought like chicken and fish. We're just hanging out with my grandma because I don't get to see her like that. This is my dad's mom. But we went over there. We're sitting there with her. We're going through like picture books and all kind of stuff. She was actually going to mail us these envelopes. My grandma has always been creative. She always made these like pretty pop-up cards and stuff like that. So that's what I'm expecting. I said, oh, she made a new card. That's what's up. Let me look at it. And I open it. You know how you have to fake like you don't see what you see? Like, if it's money in there, you gotta fake like you don't see it. And because it's kind of like low-key rude, like look at the card first, read the card first. Ooh, we looking at the card, we're reading it. Oh, this is so great, Grandma. When did you do these? Da da da. And then I decided to flip over the check. It was over $1,000. And I'm like, I just had said, and then boom, I'm holding this check. Yes, the check was already written, but you get my point. Money could really come out of nowhere. Was I expecting that? Absolutely not. Was I grateful for it? Absolutely. There's been a lot of times where people have just handed me money. And you have to start expecting people to start just giving you money. If you want people to start just giving you money, start expecting people just giving you money. Today will be a great day to receive some money randomly. I love having unexpected money. Start telling yourself these things. If I need to manifest in a time crunch, those were 2 methods right there. I wrote it down 3 times as if I already received it. You received $1,000. You received $1,000. You received $1,000. Boom. It popped up from a entrepreneurial space. Another way, I'm chilling out of town and I think to myself, best case scenario, I receive $1,000 today. I go over to my grandmother's house. What does she do? She hands me a check for over $1,000. My God. There has been times, and I'll just be throwing out random amounts, really. One time it was my birthday and I was like, you know what? I would love, this was the night before, I would love to have an extra $800 come to me. I'm thinking once again, it's going to be from sales. Mind you, my sales were so dry that day. So I was like, what is going on? Where is my money? Because what I say goes, right? And then at the end of the night, my friend hands me 8 $100 bills. Is that normal? No, it's not. It's not. But yeah, but if you want to manifest in a time crunch, relax your nerves, go do something that's going to get that anxiety out. Go work out, go jog, go meditate. Think of something that makes you happy and shifts your energy, something that makes you excited, old memories, watching old videos and you had a good time. It could take you back to that place where you're having fun. And then put your intention out there, verbally or write it down. For those who have my guided scripting sheets, go ahead and fill those out. If you don't, they're listed in my description box below. But yeah, manifesting is supposed to be fun. But I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. And until next time.